Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject EVS, topic types of plants, part 2. Dear children, in previous class we learnt about types of plant. Let us take a look. We learnt about different types of plants. Plants are of different types: trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. Dear children, let us review trees. The big and strong plants are called trees. They grow tall and have a thick woody stem, which is called trunk. They live many years. Understood, children? They live many years. Example: mango tree, apple tree, coconut tree. Now we will recorrect the points about shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees but are still strong. They have woody stems. Some of them are bushy too. Example: rose, champa, cotton, tomato. Let us recall about herbs. Some plants are much smaller than trees and shrubs. They have soft stems and roots. They are weak and don't grow very high. They don't live for long. Herbs have a strong smell. We call them herbs. Example: pudina or mint, coriander or dhania, spinach or palak. Are all plants strong? Children, no, all plants are not strong. Now we will recollect climbers. Climbers need support, but they are too weak to grow on their own. Climbers need support like string, wooden stick, wall or some plants. Example: grapevine, bean, pea. Now we will take a look about creepers. Creepers are the plants with weak stems. They grow along the ground. They bear big vegetables and fruits. So the creepers spread along the ground. Some of the heaviest fruits and vegetables like watermelons and pumpkins grow on one of the weakest types of plants. Example: watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber. There is an activity in your textbook. Let us complete it. Activity: name the type of plant on which these fruits, vegetables and flowers grow. Apple. It grows on a tree. The type of plant is tree. Tomato. The type of plant is shrub. Mango. The type of plant is tree. Beetroot. The type of plant is herb. Rose. The type of plant is shrub. Mehendi. The type of plant is shrub. Grapes. The type of plant is climbers. Hibiscus. The type of plant is shrub. Water lily. The type of plant is herb. Methi. The type of plant is herb. In today's class, we learn about parts of a plant. Now tell me, children, name any 4 parts of your body. Yes, children, we have body parts like head, neck, hand and legs. Just like us, even plants are made up of different parts. Just like us, plants are living things. They breathe, grow, and make and store food for themselves. Plants are a source of food. After knowing this, what do you think? Are plants living or non-living? Yes, children, plants are living things. Plants are living things. First part of the plant is roots. Do roots grow only under the ground? No. You see in this picture, banyan tree has hanging roots. They are above the ground. Plant roots grow below the surface of the soil. Roots give support to the plant. It also takes in water and other useful substances from the soil for the plant. Next plant part is stem. The stem is the central part of the plant and carry food and water to the whole plant. Stem grows above the surface of the soil. Stem grows above the surface of the soil. Some stems are so weak that you can pull them out. Next plant part is leaves. Leaves makes food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Do all leaves look the same? No. All the leaves do not look the same. Observe, children, in this picture how plants grow. Using sunlight, water and air, plants prepare their food. The parts of a plant are root, stem, branch, leaf, flower and fruit. The parts of the plant are root, stem, branch, leaf, flower and fruit. Plants take in water and nutrients from the soil. In this picture, observe, children, no two plants are the same. In this picture, observe, children, no two plants are the same. Children, now you tell me, do all the plants look alike? No, all the plants do not look same. Like us, plants do not look alike as they are different in size and shape. Now we will learn about another part of the plant, flowers. Flowers are colorful. They smell good. Flowers make seeds and fruits. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Now you tell me, children, name your favorite flower. I like rose. Plants are also very helpful to us. Plants gives us fruits. Plants gives us shade, help to keep a place cool and also bring in more rains. Like us, plants breathe, grow and die. Like us, plants breathe, grow and die. Plants also produce new plants just as human beings give birth to their babies. While some plants cannot move, some can move a little. Some plants require water daily. While some plants can stay without water for a few days. Example, cactus, aloe vera. Shall we recall few points? Stem holds the plant erect and carries water and nutrients from the roots to other parts of the plant. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in the leaves, traps sunlight to make food. Plants are living things. They breathe, grow, make and store food and die. Plants are living things. They breathe, grow, make and store food and die. Home assignment. I hope everybody understood this lesson. Now you do this home assignment. Complete first and second and third exercise in your textbook. I'll read this one. Pick the odd one out. Banyan, people, neem, money plant. See children, banyan, people, neem. These are the trees. But money plant is a climber. Yes, so you should do circle money plant. B. Rose, lotus, mango, hibiscus. Rose, lotus and hibiscus are the shrubs. But mango is a tree. So you should do circle for tree. Next C. Stem, grass, flowers, leaves. Stem, flowers and leaves are the parts of the plant. So grass is a herb. So you should do circle for grass. Next, pear, tulsi, coriander, mint. Tulsi, coriander and mint are herbs. So pear is a fruit. You should do circle for pear. Next, second main, fill in the blanks. The big, tall and dash plants are called trees. Yes, the big, tall and strong plants are called trees. B. Dash are small plants with woody stems. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. C. Small plants with soft stems are called dash. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. D. Creepers and climbers need dash to grow. Creepers and climbers need support to grow. E. Dash usually grow under the ground. Roots usually grow under the ground. Colorful dash add to the beauty of the plant. Colorful flower add to the beauty of the plant. Next, leaves make dash for the plant and plant dash food in different parts. Leaves make food for the plant and plants store food in the different parts. Thank you children.